In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a rectangle's border. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can confidently style a rectangle to match your design. To begin, make sure the rectangle you want to modify is selected. When it's selected, you'll see it highlight with handles around the edges. That tells you the shape is active and ready for formatting. Now, look to the top toolbar and find the Border Style button. It looks like a small square with an outline. Click that. This opens the controls you'll use for the border, and everything updates live on your rectangle, so you can instantly see what works best. Start with border weight, which is the thickness of the outline. Increasing the weight makes the border more prominent and bold, while decreasing it gives you a subtle, refined look. For headings or callouts, a thicker border can help the rectangle stand out. For clean, minimalist layouts, a lighter border often feels more elegant. Adjust the thickness until the visual balance feels right with the rest of your content. Next, choose the border color. This is where you set the mood and ensure readability. Pick a color that contrasts well with your fill color and the background, so the edges are easy to see. If you're keeping things consistent, align the border color with your brand palette, or use a neutral that complements nearby elements. If the shape contains important information, a higher contrast border can help draw the eye without overwhelming the design. Finally, select the border style. You can choose solid, dashed, or dotted. A solid border is the most versatile and professional for most layouts. Dashed borders are great for suggesting something temporary, optional, or highlighted, and they can add a sense of emphasis without adding weight. Dotted borders feel delicate and light, which can work nicely in diagrams or when you want a softer touch. Switch among the options and watch how the tone of the rectangle changes. Each style communicates slightly different intent. As you make these adjustments, weight, color, and style, notice how small changes can make a big difference in hierarchy and clarity. If your rectangle needs to stand out, try a thicker weight or a stronger color. If it's a supporting element, keep things lighter and more subtle. The key is to balance contrast, consistency, and readability for the context you're working in. That's it. Click the rectangle, use the Border Style button on the top toolbar, and refine weight, color, and style until it fits your design perfectly.